In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Xero. If you want to connect your CRM and accounting workflow, this setup is a great place to start. Integrating HubSpot with Xero can help keep your systems more aligned, reduce manual work, and make it easier to manage customer and financial information in one connected process. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic setup clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you have the permissions needed to install apps or integrations. If you manage multiple HubSpot portals, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right one before moving forward. That can save time later and help avoid installing the integration in the wrong workspace. Once you're inside HubSpot, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot lets you browse and connect third-party apps and tools. The Marketplace is essentially the main hub for discovering integrations. So if you've installed apps in HubSpot before, this area may already feel familiar. After opening the Marketplace, search for Xero. Use the search bar to type in the app name and look for the official integration result. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're selecting the correct app listing before continuing. This helps ensure you're connecting the intended service and not a similar-looking option. When you find Xero, click Install. At this point, HubSpot will begin the connection process and prompt you to sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to continue. You may need to authenticate your Xero account and approve the connection between the two platforms. Read through each prompt so you understand what access is being requested and how the integration will function once it's enabled. As you complete the sign-in stage, make sure you're using the right Xero account, especially if you work with more than one organization. Choosing the correct account at this point is important for a smooth setup and to ensure your data connects where you expect it to. And that's the core process for integrating HubSpot with Xero. Once the connection is complete, you can move on to any additional configuration options shown on screen depending on your business needs and account setup. If you found this helpful, use these same steps whenever you need to reconnect or review the integration in HubSpot.